This is VEVOR's assisted walker. So it takes about 5-10 minutes to put together. Super simple, super easy to put together. Show you guys how this works. So just walk like normal. And what's nice about this is you can lean on this, so you can put your body weight like this. Hopefully you guys can see me. But you can put your body weight on this and it still glides perfectly fine. You can walk many different ways with this. So it's universal for so many people. And just to lift this up here, give you guys a better idea. So we are 195 pounds. Hold it, put your hands in here. You can lean like this and put your weight on it. And as you can see, we can still move it completely fine. Turning it, even with our weight on it. You can lift it up because it's very lightweight. You can go faster with it as well. You can just use it for stability, so you don't have to put your weight on it like this. You can just simply walk like this. You can walk outward. You can go backwards. While going backwards, it does want to tilt a little bit like this, so you kind of lift up the back feet. But overall, it's very nice, guys. Lightweight, great for everybody. You can also grab the handles on the side down here. So if you are walking like this, you can grab it like that. You can grab it like this as well. So if you want to walk like this inward, you can as well. Again, overall, very nice. Now for putting away, you press these buttons on the side here. You can adjust the height for it. So if he or she is higher, taller, smaller, you can easily adjust the height. It has soft padding handles on here that are adjustable. So if you loosen this up, you can actually twist these and move these around as well on both sides. Again, fully adjustable. VEVOR definitely knew what they were doing when they were creating this. As you can see, adjustable wheels.